In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all your emails in Gmail as read. We all know how overwhelming an inbox with countless unread emails can get. Maybe you've been away for a while, or perhaps you're one of those people who get tons of emails every day. Whatever your situation, marking all your unread emails as read can be a great way to start fresh and regain control over your inbox. So let's dive right in and simplify your email experience. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Gmail website. Ensure that you're signed in to the Google account you want to manage. Once you're there, you'll notice a tab on the left-hand side labeled Inbox. Click on it to view all your emails. At the top of the list, you'll see the option to select emails using small checkboxes. But hold on, you don't want to select just a handful, you're aiming for all of them. Right next to the small checkbox at the top, there's a drop-down menu with a downward arrow. Click on that arrow. When this menu expands, you'll see an option that says All. Click on it to select all the emails visible on the page. However, it's worth noting that what you just selected are only the conversations shown on the current page. Gmail, by default, only shows a limited number of emails per page, generally around 50. But worry not. Once you've selected the current page, an unexpected little message appears. It'll say something along the lines of all 50 conversations on this page are selected, followed by a link that says, Select all conversations in Inbox. By clicking on this link, you're essentially selecting every single email conversation in your entire inbox, not just what's on your screen. Once you've selected everything, you need to tell Gmail to mark them as read. For this, look for the little envelope icon at the top of your email list, just above the search bar. It should be next to other options like refresh and a few others. Click on this envelope icon and boom, all the emails in your inbox will be marked as read. Keep in mind that marking emails as read doesn't delete them. It simply tells Gmail you've checked them, even if you haven't opened each one individually. This can be incredibly useful for getting rid of the intimidating bold font that shouts unread from your inbox. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to explore Google's help resources or drop a comment below. And there you have it, a clean, stress-free email inbox at your service. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.